Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great today. Before we start this lesson, please take 1 second to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your engagement helps millions of English learners become more confident speakers. Thank you so much. Today we're talking about a technique that can transform your English faster than almost anything else. A technique used by actors, polyglots, public speakers, interpreters, and even language professionals. It's called shadowing, and it's one of the most powerful speaking techniques in the world. Let's break it down step by step. What is shadowing? Shadowing means speaking at the same time as the audio you're listening to. Not after, not later, not slowly. You speak with the audio like a shadow. You copy the sounds, the speed, the rhythm, the emotion, the melody, the pronunciation, the connected speech, every detail. It's basically karaoke for English, but with real speech. And trust me, this method works like magic. Why shadowing works so well? Shadowing is powerful because it trains your ear, your mouth, and your brain. At the same time, it improves pronunciation, fluency, speaking speed, intonation, accent reduction, listening skills, confidence, muscle memory. It forces your brain to become fast, to react instantly, to produce English without overthinking. When you shadow, you stop translating and start thinking in English. This is why actors train this way. It gives you automatic fluency. How to shadow step by step. Let's break it down into simple steps you can follow. Starting today. Step 1. Choose the right audio. Pick something short, 20 seconds to 1 minute. Good choices: YouTube videos, movie scenes, podcast clips, this channel, daily conversations. Avoid fast or chaotic audio at first. Step 2. Listen once without speaking. Before shadowing, you must hear the tone and understand the emotion. Don't repeat. Just listen. Step 3. Shadow with the audio. Now speak with the audio at the same time, not after. With the exact same rhythm. If the speaker laughs, laugh with them. If they sound surprised, sound surprised. If they whisper, whisper. You are copying everything. Step 4. Don't worry about mistakes. You will make mistakes, a lot of them. That's good. That means you're learning. Shadowing is not about perfection. It's about training your mouth to move like an English speaker. Step 5. Repeat the same clip 3 to 5 times. Each repetition improves pronunciation, speed, confidence, clarity. By the 4th or 5th time, you'll sound much better. This is where the transformation happens. What you should shadow. Here are the best types of content. To shadow: 1. Slow speakers. Great for beginners. 2nd, movie dialogues. Great for natural English. 3. Interviews. Great for emotion and personality. 4. Daily conversations. Great for rhythm and slang. 5. Motivational speeches. Great for power and intonation. Shadow the content that matches the speaking style you want to have. Common shadowing mistakes. Let's fix the biggest errors learners make. Mistake 1. Speaking after the audio. That's repeating, not shadowing. Shadowing equals same time. Mistake 2. Choosing long audios. Start small. Short clips are easier and more effective. Mistake 3. Trying to be perfect. Shadowing is messy. Relax. Focus on rhythm, not accuracy. Mistake 4. Using a monotone voice. Shadow emotion, shadow tone, shadow energy. That's how natives speak. What happens after 30 days of shadowing? If you shadow 5 minutes a day for 30 days, you will notice faster speaking, clearer pronunciation, more natural rhythm, better listening, automatic expressions, stronger confidence, smoother sentences, reduced accent, less hesitation. Shadowing is like a shortcut to sounding more like a native speaker. It changes your English from the inside out. The real secret. Shadowing is not just a technique. It's a habit, a practice, a daily workout for your tongue, your brain, and your confidence. You don't need 2 hours. Just 5 minutes a day can change everything. If you stay consistent, you will hear the difference in your voice. And more importantly, other people will hear it too. If this lesson helped you, please take 1 second to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps the channel grow and helps millions of learners speak English naturally and confidently. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep learning Keep speaking and keep growing.